Good morning, everyone. Look how pretty the sky is. So that's the beautiful sky I got to see when I came outside to go to work. So I'm on my way to go to work this morning. It is Wednesday, May 1st. Happy May, everyone. Sorry that it's still a little too dark to vlog in the morning, but I thought I'd go ahead and try. And I don't know, hopefully, maybe if I turned on this, maybe that's a little better. I think that's all right. Hopefully you guys don't mind. I'm feeling a little chatty this morning, so it'll give me a little bit of something to talk to, or someone to talk to before I get there. So, it's trash day, and our trash is not out yet. So my husband better get it out. It's his job. And yeah, but that's beside the point. I just saw the trash cans and it made me think of that. But anyway, so at work I have my coffee pot and I'm so looking forward to it. I actually had a cup of coffee this morning, but I'm not stopping at Starbucks. I am going to go straight to the office and get myself my own cup of nice cinnamon coffee. And I have French vanilla creamer, and it's just going to be fabulous. I didn't get any whipped cream for my coffee, but maybe I should. And I will take a picture to show you guys the setup that I have. I just bought another, or not another, but a, well, it's another one, but it's the first one for the office, but like a drying rack. I think I showed you guys in a haul from Hobby Lobby. So I didn't put that down yesterday. I just put the plastic like placematty thing down. And I thought I'd put the drying rack in front of it, but there's not enough room to do that, so I need to figure that out this morning. I didn't want to start lifting up the coffee pot with hot coffee in it or with water even in it, so this morning it's empty, so hopefully before I make coffee I'll be able to figure that out. And then I will make some coffee, and that will be my morning. But I have a lot of work on my plate. It's just really busy right now, which is fine. It's just trying to keep everything organized and remembering what this is and that needs and this needs and, you know, all of that. So it's kind of crazy, but I'm working on it, and, you know, it's just part of it. So that's okay. And what else is going on? This weekend was good. Yeah, I haven't talked to you guys for a little minute, but Dennis had his kids this weekend, and so he took them to see the Avengers movie on Friday night. And it's a long movie. I mean, they're 15 and 16, so it's a long movie. But what did I do Friday night? I'm trying to think. I think I just crafted and did my own thing, which was wonderful. I love doing that. And then Saturday I crafted in the morning, and then I met my son and we saw Breakthrough at the movies, and it was so good. It was a really good movie, and it's about a mom who almost loses her son, and the power of prayer, I guess I can say without spoiling too much of anything. And it's based on a true story, which I also love when they're based on true stories. So my son and I watched that, and it was like a perfect movie for us to watch together because it was about a mom and a son. So it was really nice, and it was pretty touching. And I don't know, maybe halfway through the movie or so, I just reached over and just like grabbed his hand, just, you know, just because he's my boy. And I thought for sure he wouldn't let that happen for very long because he's 19, so, you know, he doesn't really do that much. And he held my hand the whole rest of the movie. It was so sweet. And for a minute, and like he even adjusted his hand so it was like with mine, which I know is so silly that I even think about this, but I was loving it. I was just so happy. And I don't know, about 20 minutes or so after we started holding hands, he like kind of readjusted himself or wiggled around a little bit, and I thought for sure that was my cue to take my hand away. So I started to pull it away, and he like grabbed it back. So it was so sweet. I was so happy. That was just really cute. And then we walked around the mall together, and his girlfriend works at the mall, so we waited for her to have her lunch break, and we ate with her. We went to Chick-fil-A, and I had one of their salads, and it was so good. They have good salad there. I didn't realize they have this lime ranch, avocado lime dressing or something like that. Holy shmoly. If you guys get the opportunity, I would recommend it. It was yum. And then I took him home to his house, so I got to see my little grand kitty, little Flower. He's so cute. He's getting big. He's getting to be a big kitty cat. Not too big though. He's still little, but he is adorable. And he's so sweet. Like, he'll let me pet his belly, and he kisses, and I give him like little rubs, and he's just sweet. And he likes to be held, and he's just really a good cat. And that was fun. And then I came back home on Saturday, and I was really pooped. So I kind of took it easy, but I don't know if I started doing my inventory on that day, or had I already started it. I found this app, and it's called something table, Airtable, I think, and it is incredible. If you guys have things that you need to keep track of, like an inventory of things, it is so nice. So I started inventorying my stamps and my dies, and I don't know what else I'm going to inventory, but right now that's where I'm at. And I can keep track of what I have, and you even take a picture of it so that you can log it against the picture. And if you want to look at what you have, and if you type in like under the notes section of it, and maybe I'll do a video on it so you guys can see what I'm talking about. If you're interested in that, let me know. But on the notes section, I put in there all of the different things that are on it. Like if there's a stamp that has a koala and leaves and a kite and an acorn, I'll write all of that down so that now if I want to search for something, like let's say I want a snail in one of my cards, I'm going to send some snail mail or whatever, and so I want a snail picture, I can search snail, and every set that I have that has a snail in it will show up. So it's really great, and it can be as detailed as you want it to be because you control it. So in the notes, I type out all of the sentiments that are in there, so that let's say I'm looking for a specific sentiment, or I'm looking for a specific stamp set, and the only thing I can remember about it is that it said, I know it had a stamp that said let's be friends, then I could type in let's be friends, and all of those would come up. So I was trying to think of all the different ways that I search for things now, which is difficult, especially if I know I have a stamp and I don't know which set it's in. They're all over the place. You know, I have some wooden stamps, I have some Stampin' Up! Stamps in those containers, I have some close to my heart stamps in those containers, I have just regular stamps and whatever they come in and all of that. So I'm also putting them all in a binder. Now the Stampin' Up! Stamps and the close to my heart stamps that are already in a really nice case, I'm leaving them, but I'm at least inventorying all of it. I'm about 2/3 of the way done, I think, with my stamping inventory. But so I have a lot that I still need to do. But it's pretty exciting. I really like that I'm getting it done. So I have that going on. So I did some of that on Saturday. I may have started that on Friday. But I did some more Saturday. I did some more Sunday. Sunday, I think I stayed in my pajamas almost all day, if not all day. I think I did. I think I stayed in my pajamas all day. I didn't do much on Sunday other than inventory. And my gosh, I got a lot done. But I did a lot of inventory. And then, and Dennis worked on Sunday. Yeah, that's right. And then Monday, I worked. Tuesday I worked. Wednesday I'm working. But That really gets in the way of all my craft time, doesn't it? This work thing. What in the world? It's all right. But I did get some stuff done yesterday when I got home. Actually, on my way home yesterday, I stopped at Joann's and found a couple things, but not anything that was, fabulous. And I forgot to bring one of the things that I bought, like a little hook thing to hang one of the pictures that I had gotten at Hobby Lobby. And I did do a haul on the Hobby Lobby stuff, but I don't know where it is. Or I do know where it is. I didn't bring it. Oh well. There's always tomorrow. And what else do I know? Tonight when I get home, I'm going to probably do my plan with me, and I am probably going to get back to inventorying. I really want to get it done. I've really been trying hard to get it all in there. Some of the hardest part is the stamps that I didn't keep their covers for. I don't know what company they are, so I'm searching in Google trying to find them, and that's hard to do. There's not a good reverse matchup. I know that there is one, and it can work occasionally, but it's not that great. So trying to find something based on the picture, at least as far as I have found, has been difficult. But I'm muddling through. If you guys know of any app or anything that I could use to do a reverse lookup based on the picture, that would be fabulous, because I would try it with this inventory thing. It would come in handy. So yeah, I mean, because even sometimes, you'll get stamps from somewhere and you don't know exactly. And I'm thinking I might do this maybe with my digital stamps too. Although I have a pretty good inventory on my computer, I don't know, it's a big undertaking. I'm also worried that if something were ever to happen to my computer, I did save them on an external hard drive, but it's just, I don't know. It's just hard to find, or to make sure you have everything. So I don't know. And I often don't go to my digital files just because I don't even think about it, which isn't necessarily a good thing. And then I don't even know what I have. So I don't know. I'm hoping that this inventory thing will help me out in knowing what I have and being able to use it a little better. That's my goal. And so far, it's already been enlightening, because I'm like, oh gosh, I forgot I had this. And I really like some of the things that I have, so it's been kind of fun shopping in my stash. So I guess this was a whole talk about doing inventory. And I'm at the office, so I'm going to let you guys go, but I really appreciate you guys, and I hope that you have, ooh, there's a Speedy almost coming through there. Craziness. I hope that you guys have a wonderful day, and I will talk with you guys soon. Bye-bye.